It was a valiant effort.
So basically rice and banana for £3,000 and a whole lot of enjoying life and living it up with the brothers, kitchen jokes and more. Honestly, this year's charity week was pretty lit. I ain't gonna lie to you, honestly, we wait till the clips to the end, wallahi, it's banging. You know, let's actually begin with that, kalam Allah, kitab Allah.
وسارعوا إلى مغفرة من ربكم وجنة عرضها السماوات والأرض أعدت للمتقين الذين ينفقون في السراء والضراء والكاظمين الغيظ والعافين عن الناس والله يحب المحسنين.
Those who haven't actually watched last week's video, is probably a million times more beneficial than this video. So basically a combination of that, of Muhammad Hoblos, Yusuf Idris, banging person, Allahumma barik, especially with his nasiha. I even had to like private message him, and I think I can show you this, so inshallah ta'ala shouldn't be a problem, because he has given the talk.
Assalamu alaikum, Brother Muhammad. Allah bless you, your family, protect you. Sorry for the late response. Like I said, I'll give you some ayat. So it's to do with water you're fundraising for, yeah? مَا عِنْدَكُمْ يَنْفَدُ وَمَا عِنْدَ اللَّهِ بَاقَةٌ. Whatever is with you will perish, but wherever is with Allah is eternal. Allah says in the Quran as well, مَنْ ذَا الَّذِي يُقْرِضُ اللَّهَ قَرْضًا حَسَنًا فَيُضَاعِفَهُ لَهُ أَضْعَافًا كَثِيرًا. Who is the one that would loan Allah a goodly loan, so Allah will multiply it for him many times.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Everyone's doing well. Alhamdulillah, the event was good. Lots of brothers, Allahumma barik lahu. May Allah bless them abundantly still. And we ask Allah for a reward, inshallah ta'ala.
So just before we get onto the massive event, CR, which is cardiorespiratory, has now been complete, alhamdulillah. Now it's 8 weeks into that of the module. Actually, we're going into the 9th, to be fair. So we've completed a vast variety of topics, from that of like valvular defects, to that of angina, to that of tuberculosis, and the list continues. And like I said, and like I always say throughout all the videos, you know, I'm just trying to be grateful. And Allah says, وَقَلِيلٌ مِّنْ عِبَادِيَ الشَّكُورِ, that it's only a small, you know, a small proportion of His slaves are actually that of are very, very grateful. And I'm not saying I'm very, very grateful, I'm saying I'm trying to be grateful, just like the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And you know, we all love the concept of being a grateful person, but do we actually do gratefulness? Just like Allah commanded the family of Dawood عليه الصلاة والسلام, اعملوا آل داوود شكرا. يا آل داوود, or family of Dawood, do shukr. And again, some of the scholars talk about shukr being that of, if you're asked to do shukr, coming with that of righteousness and staying away from that of evil, like haram essentially. And I'm preparing for the big event on Friday, 2 days before this comes out, I think. Yeah, if that sort of makes sense. The main aim of the event was essentially just to raise money for that of charity by that of an auction. So even cakes, brother, hamper kits, like what you call it, perfume, beard oil, that sort of jazz, wallahi. Rice and banana, let's not forget about that one, were going to be sold. And it's almost like 7 different tables with 7 different brother groups and sisters upstairs. I think together it was like 300 people. Yeah, and if you're wondering how do I know sisters were upstairs, we don't want to speak about that topic because that's a very sticky topic. We just know, man. Like, to be fair, we'll just know. Alright, so sleep out away. What is that? Qazak hairstyle. Oh yeah. Hudayfa, what do you have to say on it, bro? Shake. Oh, shake.
Like and subscribe. Comment down below what you liked. Oh yes, Larry.
It's the famous Punjabi star.
There you go.
Oh, Jazakallahu khair. And so for the prep of the event, even though we weren't running it, you know, I was with the Salafi boys. Allahumma barak lahu. May Allah bless them abundantly. Honestly, the main man Hudayfa, Giovanni showed me so much love. Hudayfa actually showed me how to iron properly with water. Usually I wasn't using water in the iron, so I was a little bit confused when he told me to use it, and then I ended up nearly ruining my thobe because it started turning black on a white thobe. So I was thinking, Ajib. May Allah bless him. And by this stage, if you don't know the two brothers, Fayez and Giovanni, Allahumma barik lahu, Fayez, he's from Palestine. Wallahi, very, very lovely man. One thing you will learn from him is definitely akhlaq. And you've seen him in some of the videos, may Allah bless him abundantly. And then some of the brothers also asking for that, or freshly granted cards for that of his marriage meeting. Joke, man. But khair, man, wallahi. Now let's actually go on to some of the phone recorded segments, which is banging. It was a craziness, bro. It was a craziness.
Sure, who are you giving a lecture to, mate? Nobody. Oh, where'd you get a jacket from? You didn't see this? No. Brother. If I can buy it, I'll buy it. Next year, inshallah.
Right? You know who Umar radiallahu anhu is, right? Everyone knows who that is. It's the second caliph, Umar ibn Khattab. And so he's narrating the hadith, and he says, once the Prophet sallallahu.
The first item, inshallah. We have this item. When your money is going to be there for you, as he mentioned, inshallah. But we put him on the spot. But we're going to start with this brother's perfume from Sunnah Mosque. Is this the name? Abid Ambre. That's the name of the perfume. Okay. We're going to start the bidding off on this item. I believe we have some more items as well. I think there's a sister's perfume as well. So let's see what we can get on the bidding on this item from Sunnah Mosque. We're going to start with an initial bid. You got your hand up already, bro. You don't know what I'm going to ask. Are you sure you want to get involved? Okay, we're going to say £20.
Allah.
MashaAllah. We're going to say £40.
Allah, Allah, Allah.
Allah, Allah, Allah. £40. I'm going to wait. I think someone's going to give me updates from the sister's side. There's a system in place. Are you going to give me the updates from the sister's side? Nothing so far. £60? Because he's on 40.
Okay.
60?
Okay, 60.
Yes, mashallah. £80? Your boy needs
£80, yeah. Allah.
Is that 100? Mashallah. 120, bro?
Okay, yeah.
140? 160? You've got the best smile in the room, mashallah. 160 over there. 180? And if there's any bids from the sisters, I'll be waiting for an update. It's on 160 over there, 180, bro.
180,
180, mashallah. You've got a good bunch of brothers around you. With G, you want 200 from the back of the room? Nah, is it out? He's switched seats. He's not going to spot you. Nah, it's on 180 at the moment, not 200, 200. Look at this perfume, mashallah. It was sold by Fayaz in the best manner. So you think it's worth more than 200, isn't it? It's on £200 from the brother over there. Audience over here, yeah, we know. 700? 800? Here for the rice and banana, bro. 800. 800. 900 pounds. Takbir! Who's going to give me a grand for rice and bananas? Come on. Tell me you know that feeling, isn't it? Yeah, yes. 900 pounds. 1,000 pounds. Takbir! Allahu Akbar. Takbir! Allahu Akbar. Takbir! Guys, you guys are not listening to what's going on right now. That group in the corner have made some financial decisions and they are now bidding on 3,000 pounds. Can I get the bid? Come on, the neighbors can't hear you. The bid! That's what I'm talking about, brothers. 3,000 pounds so far from the brothers in that corner, inshallah. We're going to say 3,000 going once.
Oh, rice and banana,
We're going to say 3,000 going twice.
Allahu Akbar! Takbir! Allahu Akbar! Hey, get them! This is war! Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar! Allahu Take it down! Let's go!
was a valiant effort.